To another session on surface area and volume. We are taking questions on surface area and volume of combination of solids. The first question on this session, I'll be taking a hemisphere with a cone. Previously, if I recall correctly, I had taken a cylinder with a cone. I had taken two cylinders and cones. And let me write the question down. It says a right circular, the spell was a mistake, cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled in cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter, having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find, I missed it, on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. The cone would probably look like this. If I draw the hemisphere, this is the ice cream cone with a hemisphere and a cone. This is the height. This I can put as dotted, or maybe some different color would help us. It says the ice cream is to be filled with cone of height 12 centimeter. That means this is 12, not the whole one. And the diameter is 6. That means the radius will be 3. What we need to see that the volume of the right circular cylinder, which has the ice cream in it, should be equal to the total ice cream which is given into the number of certain number of cones. So we see the solution as volume of the cylinder should be equal to volume of each cone ice cream multiplied by number of such cones. So what is the volume of the cylinder? It is given by pi r square h. Volume of each cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and the number of cones that is supposed to be calculated, we keep it as n. This pi gets cancelled. So the cylinder has got a radius of 6 centimeter. Height is given by 15 and 1/3, and the height of the cone, that is, I think, is given by 2, that's height is 12, the radius is 3 into square, and h is 12, n will remain as it is. This cancels 1, so n becomes 6 into 6 into 15 by 3 into 12. So 2, 3, 2, 6, 6, 6, so 15. So 15 number of cones we would need. I just need to check one calculation. This is right or not. It is 36 pi. Pi must have got cancelled. Oh, I forgot one thing. Volume of each cone ice cream also has one hemisphere in it, which I didn't take into consideration. This plus there is a hemisphere, and the hemisphere, the volume of the hemispherical part also need to be calculated. It is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Oh, I made a mistake. Let me rectify this calculation here. I'm sorry. This remains as, let the pi not get cancelled. I'll just replace it with the values now. Pi r is given to be some 6 into 6 into 15. It's equal to 1 by 3 into pi into r square is 3 square into height is 12 plus, this is 2 by 3 pi. R will remain as the same, so it is 3 cube. So this remains as it is. Let us keep them as it is. It is 36. I think 36 into 15 would give me 540 pi. Let's take this pi common out, or 1 by 3 pi common. That will leave us with 9 into 12 plus 2 into 3 cube. So this is 1 by 3 pi. It is 108. It is 27 into 2, that's 54 plus 108 or so. It is 12, 3 3s are 9 into 12, that is 108 plus 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27 into 4, 54. That's 108 plus 54 giving 162. 1 by 3 into pi into 162. That's giving us 162 cancelled, gives us 54 pi. So 500, I'll write it here, 540 pi is equal to 54 pi. That's giving us the number of n becomes, they all were multiplied to n, which I missed writing. So n becomes 540 by 54. That's giving us 10. So 10 number of such cones will be equal to the volume of the cylinder which contains the ice cream. Sorry for that previous mistake again. Second question we take up now. Herein, I guess I will be taking up a question with a radius, cylinder with two hemispherical figures on both the sides. So the question is, a solid is in the form of a cylinder with hemispherical ends. The total height of the solid is 19 centimeter and the diameter of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. Find the volume and total surface area of the solid, it also informs us to take pi as 22/7. Let me draw two hemispherical ends first. I need to make and join them as if it looks like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends. So thereby what I can do, I will cancel this, erase this part to look like the one, though I wouldn't have needed this, but anyways, I take this length. Suppose this is where it ends. Here also I take this up as where it ends. Let us take radius BR, HB, height with the H. Now radius will be 7/2. Now height is, the whole height is 19. So if we subtract this part and this part, we will get the height of the cylinder. So height of the cylinder will be 19 minus both the radiuses. So it is 2 into 7/2 is to be subtracted. That gives you 19 minus 7, 12. 12 becomes the height of the cylinder. Now what will be the volume of this solid? We have two hemispheres, so it will be 2 hemisphere volume is 2/3 pi r cube plus volume of the cylinder, which is given by pi r square h. Now we replace it, or we can take this part common because the radius remains same. So I take pi r square common. That will be allowing me to live with 4/3 r. R is 7/2 plus only h. H is here 12. We have calculated. Now also substitute this pi r square is 7/2 into 7/2, and here in the bracket I get 14/3 plus 12. So it is 36 plus 14, that is 50. So resultant becomes 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2 into, it is 50/3 centimeter square. This will be centimeter cube. Whatever we get here, if I solve, I'm getting this cancelled. This is 25. Now I need to solve. I am getting some 641.66 centimeter cube. This is the volume of this. We also have to find the total surface area of the solid. The total surface area of the solid will be curved surface area of this cylinder, and also surface area of both these hemispheres. So I can use this space to find the surface area. So surface area, I make some space here. Surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h plus, what is the surface area of hemispheres? It is 4 pi r square. 2 pi r square into 2, that is 4 pi r square. Because then I can take 2 pi r also common, so it is h plus only 2 r. Now substituting this with 2 into 22/7 into r is calculated 7/2. We know height of This cylinder is 12 and the radius for the hemisphere remains same with 7 upon 2. If that is calculated, we get the surface area to be 418 centimeter square. I hope you followed it. Thank you.